everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm starting a new series here on my channel every Tuesday called Talk About It Tuesday, which means that I will now have 2 videos up for you guys a week. I am thinking that Tuesdays and Fridays will be my upload days for this channel, where Tuesdays I will be doing my new series, and Fridays will just be my beauty or fashion or other related video. Basically, for this series, each video is going to be about a different topic, and most of the videos are probably going to be controversial topics. So far, I have videos planned on LGBTQ, one on my view of transgenderism. Is that even a word? You guys know what I mean. One about physician-assisted death, gun control in the US. I want to do some religion-related ones and stuff like that. Also, if you guys have any topics you guys would like me to talk about, leave them in the comment section below. I'm really excited to be doing this, and I know I'm probably going to get a ton of hate on it, but I don't even care. I want to get my opinion out there. I'm really into debates. I do really like getting my point across and getting my opinion out there, and everyone knows I am a pretty opinionative person. All the video ideas I have and receive from you guys in the comments, I will be sure to update in the description box of this video, so be sure to check that out down below. And my first Talk About It Tuesday video will be up in exactly 1 week from today, and that video is going to be all about physician-assisted death. So if you guys have any questions related to that, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will answer them in that video after I give my opinion and let you guys know more about it. Something else I'm going to be doing is at the end of each Talk About It Tuesday video, I will be mentioning what the next week's video is going to be. So if you have any questions related to that topic, you can leave them in the comment section. So if you guys are as excited about this series as I am, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your topic suggestions in the comment section. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any videos from me. I obviously upload new videos each week. And now that it is summer, I do want to try to get more videos up for you guys. But today I did want to just come on here and give you guys a quick little update as to what's going to be happening and introduce this new series. Now, a huge disclaimer for this series, I want you guys to know everything I talk about is going to be my own personal opinion, and that I'm not trying to offend anyone in any way, shape, or form, and I will be giving disclaimers at the beginning of each video, and I just think this will be a really fun interactive series. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!